Akiria hindi igongona riri, Kirote ni arugire kuona aruti wira thibitari-ini ni makoretwo mugomo-ini kwa ihinda iraya na koguo marona ni wega matungatire andu akuru hindi ino ya mambura ma thiguku.
For the past 1 year, all the professionals, especially the doctors and the nurses, have been on strike, and we wanted to bring the human face of our health workers to our community to know that they are also human, and they want also to reach out to their people in another different way.
Na niguo gutigire andu aya akuru ni marora ugima wao wa mwiri, Kirote ni arugire governor wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi ari na mubango wa gutigirira ni maheo tungata wa urigitani wa NHIF.
We are going to give NHIF a chance to our aged people from the age of 75 years.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiri wa wodi ya Thanwa Victor Kareithi ni ararutire ritana kuri andu aria maikaraga matauni-ini kuririkanaga andu aria akuru ithenya-ini ria kumatiganiria.
We are very happy because these old men and women are celebrating in good health because they are getting some medication and some other little presents and some food stuff, so that they are also happy because we realize that not everybody really remembers the elderly.
Maya magithiaga na mbere matereba kuma kaunti ino ya Meru ni mahetwo mukana wa kwagarara watho hindi ria mari barabara-ini kuona giki nikio gitumi kinene kia muhatikano wa ngari. Miario ino rutitwo ni kamanda wa borithi wa kaunti ino Vincent Okoth akiuga aria mekunyitikana magitwarithia ngari maria riu kana makiagarara watho ni megutacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
Wakati huu ni wakati ya Christmas. Na kama kawaida wa Christmas karibia, watu huwa na mchangamfu aina mbalimbali. Watu wanasafiri kutoka huko sehemu mbalimbali, Nairobi, Nakuru, Mombasa, wanakuja kwa Christmas. Na ndio nataka kuchukua hii nafasi kukushauri ya kwamba ukiwa unasafiri, ndugu yangu, weka sheria ya barabara mbele yako. Usije ukue ya kwamba utakumbuka sheria baada ya mabaya kutokea.
Maya mokite riri mitino ya barabara yongererekete na njira nene hindi ino ya mambura ma thiguku. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.